Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of Morning Wealth. Three things that we will talk about: vaccine-related news in Pharma, casinos start rolling in Macau, and where is the euro outperformance coming from? A rally in the US stocks fizzled Monday after California rolled back its reopening plans, spurring worries about another coronavirus lockdown. Major stock indices had actually surged earlier in the session, with the Dow rising more than 563 points. But sentiment shifted after California moved to close all indoor dining, bars and other businesses. The LA Unified School District, which is the nation's second largest, said that it would start the school year online. The Dow eked out a small gain of less than 0.1%. The S&P fell 0.9% after the index actually turned positive for the year during the session before the stocks reversed course. The technology-heavy Nasdaq Composite, which has been trading at record highs in the recent days, dropped about 2.1%. The 10-year yields are down below 0.62. The dollar mostly rose against the G10 basket, with the Kiwi and the pound leading the declines, though euro outperformed, and we will speak about that a little later. Oil retreated and gold edged higher. Nikkei futures are in the red and Hang Seng is in the green. Moving on to equities, earnings that we will be looking forward to would be JP Morgan, Citi and Wells Fargo. These results would be coming before market open. We'll also be looking at Wipro results coming in later today. Pfizer shares rose 4.1%. The pharmaceutical giant and the German biotech company BioNTech said Monday that they received fast-track designation from the Food and Drug Administration for 2 coronavirus vaccine candidates that they are partnering on, allowing them to speed up testing. Moderna also gained 15% after being named the next member of the Nasdaq 100 index. Jefferies said the COVID-19 vaccine could generate sales of more than $5 billion a year for the company. Tesla went on another wild ride. Shares of the electric car maker surged 16% at one point on Monday before shifting gears to fall 3.1%. That's the biggest reversal into negative territory in more than 10 years. They have still more than tripled in value this year. Analog Devices will buy Maxim for about $20.9 billion in stock, creating a larger rival for Texas Instruments in the market for chips. Huawei's revenue increased 13% to 454 billion yuan or 65 billion in the first 6 months of 2020. That's even as the company faces restrictions from a number of countries. PepsiCo reported yesterday. PepsiCo reported stronger than expected spring quarterly figures as lockdown consumers stocked up on snack brands like Fritos and Cheetos. Organic revenue slid by 0.3%. Macau casino stocks jumped after neighboring Guangdong province said that it will stop making travelers from the city quarantine for 14 days on arrival. That clears one major barrier to bring back mainland gamblers whose absence has led to 3 straight months of 90 plus plunges in gaming revenue. Still on hold is the individual and group visit visas. On this news, Las Vegas Sands gained about 10%, Wynn was up about 15%, and Melco Resorts was up 19%. On the FX side, we're looking at where the euro outperformance is coming from. ECB meets on the 16th and no changes are expected from the central bank, but the euro is strong today and it's outpacing all other currencies because ECB is expected to be less pessimistic. Germany's economic minister said yesterday that their economic low point has passed. France feels consumption is just 5% below normal levels. So all of these are adding to the positivity for the euro. All the 3 commodity currencies traded higher, with the Aussie dollar leading the gains. We're surprised of the Aussie dollar strength, especially after China issued travel advisory for Australia, a sign that tensions between the two countries are rising. So something definitely to keep a tap on. That's your update. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.